The only curve in this, and if you don't have it, will be getting your fire alarm license. But everything else is still business. So you can remove the fire alarm license, take everything that I'm telling you, and just apply different business on top of it. I also want to introduce you to the Fire Alarm Business Blueprint. Now, this is a 9-step course that's going to take you from setting up your business to getting your license, to branding yourself, to what type of insurance you need for your business, to marketing. Has credit in there. I'm talking about how I got funding and credit, how you could build your credit and get new credit and things like that. So within this course, it's going to take you from being stuck to unstuck. So even if you do fire alarm, even if you don't do fire alarm, you can sell t-shirts. You can still take this course, remove that license part out of it, and still excel within your life. So look out for the Fire Alarm Business Blueprint. We're actually building it as we speak today. I'm building out the course today. So if you're interested, just leave me a comment, or you can join the community Facebook group. Just let me know. All right, so Fire Alarm Blueprint, this is presented by the Fire Alarm Expert. So I'm putting my knowledge, piece of paper, packaging it, so that way I can help you get to where you need to go faster than what you're doing now, because I know it's tough. If you want to learn some fire alarm training, you can go to my website. I have a link there where you can go to my fire alarm training program. It's totally free too. So inside the fire alarm training, what we're going to be doing there is a lot of programming. I want to say the programming that I know, the Edwards programming, the Vista programming, the Kitty programming, the Firelight programming, IO programming. I can't get my hands on Notifier or the MXL. I would show you those as well. But if I could find some training stuff to highlight how you do certain things, I'll put that in the training things as well. I'm also going to be showing you how to install a fire alarm system, the best practices for fire alarm systems. And if you want to also learn security systems like card access, camera systems, and burglar alarm systems, I have that there as well. So fire alarm training, go to my website, look for the fire alarm training, and join up. It's free, 100% free. So if you want to follow me on social media, on Instagram, Fire Alarm Expert, Facebook, you can find me at Securities on TikTok. I'm also the Fire Alarm Expert. You can shoot me your questions via email. You can give us a call, or you can visit our website, poke around, tell me what you like, tell me what you don't like. If you like something on the website, you want to purchase some, you don't want to spend that money right away, hit me up, man. I'll give you a discount. I'll give you a nice discount. And if you want to purchase a camera system, we can work something out. All right. Thank you for sitting through this presentation for fire alarm systems. So now that you've watched this, you are an expert. You are better than me. You are better than a person who didn't watch this. So when you go to work the next day, you have better information. So it's definitely up to you to do better in your life. Read some more. Educate yourself some more. And I don't mean learning more math. I mean learning who you are. You have to be able to decipher who you are from the next person in order to excel in this life. So my journey's been real. It's only like the first chapter. I still have more chapters to write in this book. And I appreciate you all for listening, watching, however you're receiving this content. And if you have any questions, you can text me, email me, hit the website, talk to the chat bot. Whatever you need to do to reach out and send your questions, I'll do my best to answer them. Appreciate you for watching. Appreciate you for listening. I'll catch you on the next one. Peace.